You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words correctly. They have the exact, indeed, same pronunciation, if you've been wondering. By the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Cymbal. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Cymbal. Yes, not the top one is not cymbal. No, I know it's spelled with an A, but it's not cymbal. The top one is the instrument, the drum, cymbal. They're both pronounced exactly the same way. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, cymbal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.